This is a baby monitor that syncs. So it's a pretty cool, interesting app. Yeah, it's quite popular in some countries in US as well. So it's like HD videos that let you check in from anywhere, anytime. Monitor baby's breathing motion without wearable electronics. Quickly see how your baby slept and view a time lapse of their night. Receive science-backed sleep guidance personalized for your baby. Manage your privacy, set permissions, restrict access. So yeah, quite a lot of features, and you can just see it right from your app on your phone screen. It's pretty cool, and then see like live video, live feed, and then see some schedule and then activity, and yes, pretty cool. And then there are a lot of features being added, probably with with AI and stuff. So then you can just add your name, and you can just add your email here. Then you can just add your password to enter password, and just add your country, and there you have it. So then you can just add again email, and then you can just log in. So yeah, that's basically how you create an account. It's a pretty cool idea, so check it out.